Hi everyone, I'm Ron, and today we are diving into SignNow, a powerful signature platform designed to help you sign, send, and manage documents with ease. Whether you are new to SignNow or just exploring its features, this video will show you how to get started and make the most of this incredible tool. So without wasting any time, let's go back to Google, search for SignNow, and click on this first link to land here. SignNow is an intuitive cloud-based platform that streamlines document signing, collaborations, and management. Now, let's go and check the pricing. So here you can come to this website and you can compare the every plan. It has around four plans. There's a business, the premium, enterprise, and site license. Each plan consists of different pricing with given its own new features, right? You can come to this website and compare with each plan by yourself. By the way, you can start a free trial here, which I will show you. Now, monthly is slightly expensive than annually, which is around 60%. So take your decision wisely here. By the way, if you think to buy, there's a link given in the description. You'll get a good discount. Now click on this free trial on the top right side corner. First of all, you have to create an account. I will go with the Google because it's easy. If you want, you can use normal email address to create an account. Now enter your first name as well as your last name here and click on next. Now you can choose a signature. By the way, if you have your own signature, just go and click on add a new. You can upload your signature image or just draw your signature here. So let's say I'll just write here, right? And this is not looking good. I just made it with my mouse cursor, but you can upload your image here. So I just like to use this one here. Now click on next. Now tell us what interests you about sign now. So it doesn't matter, you can choose anything, right? And click on next here. Now, if you have a large team, you can add your team member here. Simply just add their email address, their official email address, and whether do you want to give them as a member access or admin access. So as you can see here, the admin can assign just like owner, right? Invite and remove members. In fact, it has every option, which every complete access of sign on account. But a member have a very specific action. The basic rule that managed by both the owner and admins. Member can share documents and templates with everyone and invite new team members to join the team. So member can also be assigned to the admin role. Admin can also view personal member documents for its option was enabled when the team was created. So yeah, it's fine. You can just add as many as you want. I don't want to invite anyone, so I will just skip this part. Now you're ready to start using Sign Now. You can upload your first document. Now this is the exact dashboard which you will find. You will get 7 days free day trial. You can use it and you can check each and everything here. Now this is called documents, the contacts and the reports on the left side, right? And here there's a API access and there's also called organizations, right? So organization is really useful because let's say you want to create or you want to sort and keep everything separate. Let's say you run two company, right? Now here you can just create one organization. Now you can create different organization for something else. Now, if you just in your first organization, all the documents which you've added will show up only one first organization, not in the second. So nothing will get mismatched here. And this is called admin console. So admin console is basically your PDF filler here. You can just create it. And this is basically a different thing, different software. Now, Sign Now has more features, which you can see here, the API, my team, you can add it here, the pricing, integration. Yeah, you can integrate with different applications, your CRM, right, and different things here. For example, Salesforce, NetSuite, Procore, right, even Google Sheets, Google Documents, and everything, right? It's a pretty easy thing to do. Now let's go to the documents here. So it's time to upload and prepare your documents for signing. So simply just go and click on create, right? And it will give you an option to upload and document. And if you just go to the document section, you can upload, create document group. You can import from cloud storage or just from a URL, right? So you can also use a template. So you can use this template, upload a file to resend it multiple times, right? So this is where our templates come. Let's say I just want to go with document. Let's say I will just go with this one here. Now click on upload. And within just few seconds, it will start uploading the entire document here. Here you can add your recipient, my email address here. or you can simply add it from contacts. So contact is basically you can add all your client data or client informations here. So you can just simply, select it from here. You can also add a CC. And once you add it here, you can also give this option, for example, approver or signer or just a viewer. And simply you can click on save and continue. Now let's say this is a document here and I want to add a sign. Let's say I want to add a sign at the end. So I can just click and hold and put it here. So our recipient one can add the signature. Let's say there are another signature which is needed. So I can also click and hold and put it in the same way here, right? And you can add as many as you want. Let's say you want to delete. So you can just select this up and you can click on this delete icon. Right, pretty easy thing to do. Now, obviously, if you have added a sign option here, you also need to add this information or a name or let's say designation. So simply click on text and you can select it like this. And same way, you can just add as many text icon or section you can add it. You can also add a section for full name, right? So here you can add it, not checkbox, not attachment, stamp. So you get a lot of option to do this, right? Pretty easy thing to do. Now let's say I want to add it here. So I can also add it here. So anywhere in the PDF or document, you can just add it. You have a complete freedom. Now let's say you want to change the colors. I want to go with the red. So I can just put it in a red, right? Let's say I want to increase the size of the text. I can even increase it. Let's say I want to increase the size. I'm also allowed to do that, right? I can change the font. I can change today date and everything here, right? Let's say I want to add a date. So let's say I can just add a date here, right? Wherever I just want. So pretty easy thing to do. And obviously you can just go and click on save and continue, open preview, right? You can directly go to the exact pages where you want. Let's say I want to open preview, so it will load for a few seconds and everything, it will start showing up like this, right? So let's say I have to type something, I can just type here just to check that whether everything is fine or not. And I can just go ahead and click on back to editing. Now here, you can just download this entire document. It's a very easy thing to do, right? Now you can just download it from here. Let's say I have done everything. I can just go and click on continue. And here I can just, it will give an option to whom I want to send it, right? So I have to enter the email. Also the payment request, I can do it from here. I can customize the message, right? So here you can see that Anil Shaw is inviting you to sign this document. I can also add my team member in the CC and just simply click on send invite. So let's say I just want to send it ron@gmail.com, right? And once I enter the email, automatically it will be added to the contacts and click on send. And then it will ask you to upgrade. So unfortunately, I can't upgrade it right now, but I hope you got the point how you can do that. Now, all the documents which you are working on will show up here. You can invite them, you can make templates. Some templates is basically you can just use the same document again and again and send it to different person every time, right? So that is pretty cool and easy thing to do. Right now, you can just go to the archive, the templates, the trash, right? And if I've deleted something, you will find it here. The templates will show up here. And if I've archived some of the documents, which will show up here. So archive is something you can call this as it's not deleted, but also it's not active. So we can just put it archive, right? Now, if you add anything here, it will be added in the contact. And here you can specify and select one of the email address and you can send the document to them. Now here, if you just go to the report section, you will find all the reports, how many documents I have created, how many documents your organization have sent, pending and everything. You will find it on which day to which email address it has gone, right? So you will find all the data in a very simplified manner. So that is pretty easy and simple thing to do. So this was it, guys. I hope you found this video tutorial very easy and very simple to find. And this is it. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.